Okay, so we just got this Shark 2-in-1 robot vacuum. And as you can see, we have a high shed dog, a German Shepherd, and a pretty low shed dog, but still sheds. But mainly I was concerned about it being able to handle my German Shepherd's hair, because normally when we vacuum, we pick up a whole bin, at least one, full of her hair, and we vacuum almost every day. So our house is a lot of hardwood or hard flooring and some low pile carpets. And when I set it up, I just made sure that I just did these areas, the hallways and not the bedrooms, which have higher pile carpets. So we're just gonna look at how it did with the main flooring. And normally when I vacuum every other day or so, sometimes every day, I will fill up 1 to 2 dustbins in my Shark vacuum. There's another room. So earlier I set it on cleaning mode. It's been about an hour and a half cleaning the floors, and the bin in the Shark robot was completely full. Mostly of her hair. Some crumbs and things like that, but it was almost primarily full, packed full of her hair. And as a test to see how much it got, I went through and did another round. The same areas, I didn't do any of the carpeted areas, just the same areas I did with the robot in our regular vacuum. And as you can see, it is not full, not even close. So from the evidence produced by the dustbin on the iRobot vacuum and the lack of hair in this bin, I'd say it did a pretty good job. Not 100%, but I mean, this is like, I usually have 2 of these packed full of hair. So it did pretty good. Didn't struggle, didn't have any issues with the hair. It just didn't do 100%, but it's a pretty good helper, so I don't have to clean it quite as often. So yeah, I'd say it worked pretty good.